Welcome back everyone, my name is Arif, and in this video we're going to show you how to unlock a PDF that's password protected. Now I've created this sample doc over here. Let's open this up in Word, you can see that. And then I've converted it to a PDF. And I also threw a password on top, so this way you can see, oh no, stepbrother, I don't know what to do. You know, oh, let's enter in a password. Oh, you can't do that. So how do you get rid of these password protected things? Well, let's close this and let's go to Google, and we're just going to type in PDF to Word converter. This site popped up, no affiliation, just the one I use. And we're just going to go here. We're going to click this and we're just going to drag it in. Now, what you're going to do here is let it convert to Word. Choose the option. And the best part about this is it's going to strip out all of those password protection things. Now it's going to be converted. Let's click save. And now we're going to reopen it. So you have this now as a Word document. And then we're going to resave it as a PDF. And once you do that, you can bring it back over here and you can click edit PDF. And there you go. You can now edit to your heart's content. So there you guys have it. Very quick tutorial on how to unlock a PDF that is password protected, because sometimes, well, if you pay for something and you can't get access to it, that's just not okay. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do hit that subscribe button, maybe hit the like button, leave a comment down below if you have ideas for videos that you want to see. I've been Arif, this has been a tutorial, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.